Hi all, I'm Dr. C.SHOBANA. In these exercises, we are going to discuss about the mutexes. So first we are going to use only one thread. For that we are going to have two variables. So when one thread is running, two variables are updated by that thread. So at that time, the two variables have the same values. So it will be without any issues, the values will be updated for this variables 1 and variable 2. So next is we are going to change this, that is number of threads to 4. So we are going to give it as a thread number 4. So while giving 4 threads, what happen means, so that the variable 1 and variable 2 is inconsistent, because it will have there is no synchronization between the threads. So what happen means, all the threads are updating the values of variable 1 and variable 2. So what happen means, that is the entire behavior will changes and inconsistent. So to avoid this problem, we are going to next is mutex synchronization. That program we are going to write it. Here what we are going to do means, we are going to lock and unlock. We are going to do this. By doing this, we can do the synchronization. So what here we are going to say means, here the important thing is how to use the multiple threads without if we run this problem without mutex protection, what will happen. So synchronization is must, then only we can avoid these types of inconsistent. So we'll go to the Nomutex IDE. I'll create the new project, new project, QNX project, QNX executable. So I'll give a name as new mutex. That means without mutex we are giving. Finish. So now the program is created. So here I have given a Nomutex program. We can see here we have given all the libraries we have given. So number of thread is 1, only one thread. So it shows that, see there, we are assigning variable 1 and variable 2, both are equal to 0. We are initializing the variables. Then we are using the for loop. So variable 1 and 2 do the same work. So I'll run this program. Save. And I'll go to this Nomutex. It's here. I'll clean the project. Then I'll build the project. Now building is finished with 0 errors. I'll go to binaries. The binaries, copy this program and come to real-time programming for QNX zip file. There you just go to images. There paste it. So the usual procedures. So I have pasted this Nomutex program. So go to training image build. There you have to give this, the line number 25 you have to give Nomutex. Then similarly the line number 38 under toy box also give Nomutex. The project name is given here. Then I'll save this. So now I'll run the Nomutex program. Run as QNX applications. So I can see this thread 2 it's on some work. That means only one thread we have given here. So that thread alone working, and all the threads have completed, and the variable 1 and variable 2 is both are same. So if it is the case, no problem. Now the same program I'll change to, that is thread number, I'll change this. I'll change the number. I'll go to nomutex.c. There I will change the thread number of threads to 4. Here its number of threads is given as the 1. I will change it to 4. That means I have given 4 threads. So let us see what will happen here. I'll save this file. Now I will go and execute it again. Clean the project. Build the project. Go to binaries. New binaries are created. Right click. Copy. Then come to this image and paste it. Replace all I have given. Now new file is copied there. Nomutex is updated one is copied here. Then again, but in the training and image same file name is there because no need to change. We didn't change the file name, only content were changed. So now I'll go to Nomutex and I'll run that program. So here we can see this. All the 4 threads are running there. Thread 2, 3, 4, 5 is running. And the variables also, we can see this, both the variable values are, that is variable 1 and variable 2, both are equal value. So this is what happened. Well, this is what happening. That is means that is each and every thread while running, the variable is not, that is var1 is not equal to variable 2. So mostly the values are not equal, it will be changing. So in this case, the variables 1 and 2 are inconsistent. So at that moment, we have to use the synchronization. That means we can give a lock and unlock for this situation. So for that, we will modify the code. In this program, we have to include lock and mutex lock and unlock. We have to do this. So for that, I'll take as a new program. So I'll go to File, New, Project, QNX project, next. QNX executable. To avoid the confusion, I'm going as a new project. I'll take it as a mutex sync. Mutex sync 1. I'll give it as. So 8664 I'm going to give. I'll finish this. So I'll take that program here. I have already taken the program. Copy this program. That is mutex sync given here. All the libraries are given. Here now the thread is also 4 threads are I'm using. 2 variables I'm using. Variable 1 and variable 2 is also using. Here mutex synchronization starting. So we can see here the mutex is, these are all similar. There is no variation. Here only the lock and unlock starts. Here you can see here we are locking p thread underscore meters underscore lock. I'm locking this. I'm going to protect the variables. When one thread runs, that thread will be updating that variable 1 and variable 2. After that completion only, another thread go and change the values of that variable. That's what we are going to give the protection. So we are going to, at a time, one thread can work with the variable 1 and variable 2. So while it will be locked, so that thread is also working. So after the end, we are going to unlock the thread. After unlocking, another thread can enter, new thread can enter, and it can operate. So it can work with variable 1 and variable 2. Similarly, all the 4 threads will be working. So we'll run this program, file, save. So that is mutex sync this file. I'll clean the project. I'll build the project. So in this, so errors are there. I'll correct the program. So some mistakes are there. I have corrected. Again, we will see that. File, save,